In the following sequence of reactions, C2H5Br with AgCN, it gives X. On reduction, it gives Y. So what is Y? We have an alkyl halide. What is C2H5Br? It is CH3, CH2Br. See, with AgCN, what is the nucleophile generated here? So we have two different things here. That is, if it is KCN, so KCN is an ionic compound. What happens? It will generate the nucleophile K plus and Cn minus. So if an alkyl halide or X is there, this is R plus and X minus, Cn will attack the R plus. So this is in the case of KCN. But in the case of AgCN, so what is the product when you have KCN? When you have KCN, you will be get the product RCN. So when alkyl halide react with the KCN, you will be getting RCN. But in the case of AgCN is a covalent compound. So we cannot make it as Ag plus and Cn minus because no transfer of electron, it is a covalent compound. What happens? See, Cn minus is C triple bond. C triple bond N. N is more electronegative. So 3 triple bond N. N is more electronegative. So what happens? There will be pulling of electrons and it gets a partial negative charge. Here then Ag will be getting a positive charge. And we know that Cn is an ambidentate ligand. What is ambidentate ligand? So it has two donating centers. Carbon will also be a donating center and nitrogen can also be a donating center. See, this is Cn here. Due to the more electronegative of N, it has partial negative charge. So what happens? N will be having the minus. So in this case, it will be N and C. So N will be having the minus because due to the more electronegativity and AgCN is a covalent compound. It will attack CH3, CH2 as NC, not Cn. So when Cn will happen, with the KCN it is Cn, but with NC, AgCN it is NC. By next which is removed, AgBr is removed. Now reduction. Reduction, we can use any reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride. What happens during reduction? CH3, CH2. So this N and you have C. So what happens? Supply of hydrogen. More hydrogen will be added. You will be getting here CH3. And we know for nitrogen with only 3 bond. And you have only 1 hydrogen added here. And for carbon, you know it is 4 bonded and 3 hydrogen will be added. So finally, we will be getting CH3, CH2, NH, CH3. What is the name of this compound? This is ethyl and this is methyl and this is amine. So the name of this compound is ethyl, methyl, amine, and our option is D.